Have you ever noticed how a grocery trip that used to cost £30 now somehow adds up to £50, even though you're buying the same things? Or how your favorite coffee shop quietly raised prices, yet your paycheck hasn't really changed? That invisible force shrinking your money's value is called inflation. And it's one of the most misunderstood yet most powerful forces affecting your daily life. So, what exactly is inflation? In simple terms, inflation is the general increase in the prices of goods and services over time, which means the purchasing power of your money, how much you can actually buy with it, goes down. If you had £100 last year, and inflation rose by 10%, that same £100 today buys only £90 worth of stuff. It's like your money is slowly losing weight without your permission. A little inflation is normal and even healthy for an economy because it encourages spending and investment. But when it rises too fast, like what we've seen recently in the UK and around the world, it starts eating away at your savings, your salary, and your financial peace of mind. The causes of inflation can vary. Sometimes it's demand pull inflation, where too many people are chasing too few products, like during lockdowns when everyone wanted electronics, but factories couldn't keep up. Other times it's cost push inflation, when production costs rise like fuel, rent, or raw materials, and businesses pass that extra cost to consumers. And then there's imported inflation, where the prices of goods we import from other countries rise due to weaker currency or global disruptions. But however it starts, the end result is the same. Your money buys less than before. Now let's talk about how it affects you. First, inflation silently cuts your spending power. Your paycheck might look the same on paper, but in real life, it buys fewer groceries, less petrol, or fewer streaming subscriptions. You start adjusting, maybe you skip that dinner out or buy fewer treats, and that's inflation changing your lifestyle. Second, it damages your savings. If your money sits in a regular bank account earning 1% interest, but inflation is at 5%, you're effectively losing 4% of your money's real value every year. That's why smart savers put their money in high-interest savings accounts or investments that at least keep pace with inflation. Third, inflation affects borrowing. It might sound surprising, but borrowers can sometimes benefit. If you took out a fixed-rate loan years ago, you're paying it back with cheaper money as inflation rises, meaning the real value of your debt decreases. However, for new borrowers, it's the opposite. Interest rates often rise when inflation is high, making mortgages, car loans, and credit cards more expensive. Inflation also hits retirees and those on fixed incomes the hardest, because while prices climb, their income stays the same. Imagine living on a pension that doesn't increase, but your rent, food, and energy bills all do. It's a recipe for financial stress. So, what can you do to protect yourself? Start by being aware. Track how much your regular expenses have gone up. Then, move your savings into accounts that offer inflation-beating interest rates, or consider investing in index funds, government bonds, or ISAs that grow over time. Build an emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months of expenses, because in inflationary periods, unexpected costs hit harder. Cut unnecessary subscriptions, plan your meals, and buy essentials in bulk to lock in current prices. Finally, focus on increasing your income. Learn new skills, take freelance work, or start a side hustle. When prices rise, earning power is your best defense. Remember, inflation isn't just an economic headline, it's a slow leak in your financial bucket. If you ignore it, it drains your savings. But if you understand it, you can patch the leak and even turn it into an opportunity.